Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. We're going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is October 18th, 2024. Let's get started. Actually, going to take a look at both the dollar versus Swiss and the euro versus Swiss. So be sure to stay around for that euro Swiss analysis after the dollar Swiss. I'm going to start off by taking a look at the 4-hour chart here and what we saw in trading this week. In the dollar versus Swiss is a move to the upside that got above this swing area through here. The swing area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs through here before the market moved to the downside. We returned back to that area through here, and here in the prior 2 weeks. And in trading this week, we moved above the level and then found support against this area right through here. That was key in the push price higher. In the process, we did move above the 38.2% retracement. That's how the move down from the July high. I can't see it, but it goes back to early July. Earlier this week, the price tried to get above those levels, but couldn't, and then came back down to the swing area. So there was a battle going on, and we broke above it. And the corrective move that we saw in trading yesterday came down just a little bit back below that 38.2% retracement, but snapped back to the upside. Admittedly, we're not running. This whole corrective move to the upside is not necessarily a sprint. And remember, it all started back here where we were sitting in this non-trending range right through here. So we have seen move to the upside, but getting above the 38.2% retracement was a chore. We are now above it. The question becomes, can we extend this move further and start to move toward the 100-day moving average? I'll get it right here. Toward the 100-day moving average up here, the 50% retracement level as well is in that area right here. And that's what's going to be at stake not only today, but going forward into the new trading week. In order to do that, I think the barometer will be this level right here. That is the risk-defining level, the bias-defining level. As long as the price can remain above the 38.2% retracement, the potential for a rotation, the slow run up toward that level is still in play. Absent that, if we break back below the 38.2% retracement, I think the buyers would be disappointed and start to rotate further to the downside, testing this swing area, get below that level, and we could see the price moving back down toward the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Now, I promised that I'd take a look at the euro versus Swiss franc, and we know that yesterday the ECB cut rates by 25 basis points. And that sent the price down to this key trend line right through here, also near the 61.8% retracement of the range since the August low to the August high. This is range since August. Obviously, the price is trading within this triangle right here, and the lower end of that triangle trend line of that triangle was tested along with 61.8, and the market did find support buyers, and we pushed back higher. Now, up here is the near converged 100 and 200 bar moving averages on the 4-hour chart. And this week, the price moved above it early on Monday and failed. We moved above it midweek and failed, moved above it and failed, moved above it today, and is, still deciding what it wants to do. We're trading right at those two moving averages as we speak, also near the 50% retracement. So this cluster of technical levels here is going to be the bias defining level, not only today but going forward. If the prices start to move and trade more above that level, then we could head up toward the 38.2% retracement, head up toward this high right here. Conversely, if we continue to find sellers here, then we could see a rotation back down toward the trend line, where the market has a decision to make. Do we break below that trend line and continue in the downward direction, or do we bounce off of that level and see the price move back toward the 100 and 200 bar moving averages? So there you have it. A look at both the dollar Swiss and the euro Swiss to kickstart your day and to think about going forward into next week's trading. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye.